Okay, quick update as disassembly here, and I've shown this trick before. I think I don't know if maybe I never put the video up, but essentially when you're taking this tail housing off, if you just loosen the set screws such that you're able to twist this, and when you turn this out of the way, then you can lift the other piece off. I put it outside as it drains oil out. But here's one thing that you shouldn't find. Upon taking off the tail housing, you ought not find that the main shaft nut and lock tab and all of this stuff here is loose. So we'll have to see what happened. At first glance, all I could think of here is that the preloading was somehow incorrect, or the bearing spun on the shaft, or again, if the gears were too tight and the inner race was forced to rotate. We'll see if there's any reason that might happen, but that would put, again, a torque on this spacer tube. Nothing else is splined to the shaft. It would then tend to want to undo the nut. But usually there's a lock tab, and usually when you tighten that nut, you're not tightening it up against only the tension of that little lock tab. So we'll see what we find. Just a quick update here. Pressure washed the transmission so I can really have a look at the case, the two pieces, and I had found this here before washing it, a crack that kind of goes across the top mounting ears of the bell housing up here. Well, I could have that welded, but just now inspecting it here under my lights, I've discovered some damage here in the shift fork area. That is all. There's a crack that runs here. It's swollen out. That's not going to be able to shift smoothly, unfortunately. That's luckily I had just been by Mini Mania and inquired about the availability of a good core. Brendan told me they have a good maybe a dozen of them or so, so I'm going to pick a very nice case. The tail housing mostly okay, but kind of a big gouge here in the seal area at the bottom, as luck would have it. So it is a possibility for oil to kind of come out around the seal, not necessarily leaking through the seal. But yeah, after getting it all nice and clean, I think we need a new case. So here we are in what we call our R&D basement, working on another pretty exotic setup here. This is the strongest package for one of these rib case transmissions. These are used in the Sprite midget setups. And this one, yes, is for our going behind our race engine. This is the, unfortunately, no longer available MED dog engagement gear set. Just immensely strong, beautifully made. Please make them again, guys. These things are just by far the nicest package for these ribcase gearboxes. You can see very few parts, just absolutely bulletproof pieces. Great big bearings and gears. Everything slides off the main shaft elegantly, one direction. Great big straight cut gears. Really good engagement. And we can see in here, lay shaft held in with a push rod, which makes a perfect, what they call a dummy shaft, as we figure out our bearings, spacers, center bearing and such.